Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the Bank Nifty and Nifty has performed and how the Bank Nifty and Nifty can perform tomorrow. See, if you look at this chart, what we can see that the Bank Nifty has moved upside, and from there again profit booking has come at this level, because if you look at this whenever the price goes above this level, whenever the Bank Nifty goes upside, it tries to hold for some time, and then from there we have seen a sharp fall. Okay, you can check a mid high, it goes upside, mid high, and from there we have seen every time it goes upside, made a high, and chances are high it move in the particular range, and from there we have seen that it come down. So okay, so now what we can see here, that a pattern is trying to form. Okay, if you look at this pattern, we can see a narrow pattern is forming. So suppose if Bank Nifty goes below a level of 39,278, then chances will be high that it can go and touch a level of 38,810. Before that, if it has to cross a level of 39,111. Okay, the strong support we can see it coming at around 39,111, and from there we can see a second support is coming at around 38,743. Okay, and if the price Bank Nifty goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 38,442, because this is the very strong support. Okay, once this support breaks, then only we can see it can go further low to a level of 38,108, which is again a strong support. Then we can see it can come in this particular range. Okay, suppose if the Bank Nifty goes upside and touch a level, goes above a level of 40, then chances will be very high. We can see it can go further upside to a level of 40,615, which is a strong resistance. Okay, a 40,548 is a strong resistance, and once if it goes above this level, then we can see the next support, the next resistance we can see it at around 40,916. And if these two resistance are break upside, then we can see the chances are high it can go further upside and can go and touch a level of 41,417, and from there we can see it can go upside, more further upside to a level of 41,651. And if the price goes more over this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 41,851. Okay, and then we can see further upside. So what we have to look for tomorrow, that suppose if the range, if it opens in this particular range, then we can see 39,880 will act as a strong resistance. If it goes above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 40,114, because if this level breaks, because these 40,114 is already tested, so chances we can see it can go further upside to a level of 40,548. okay, but if it goes below a level of 39,311, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 38,777 also, but it has to go below a level of 39, then chances are high it can go further low and can touch a level 38,400 also. Okay, if we talk about, so what we have to do is let's wait where the market opens, Bank Nifty opens, and then we'll decide where we'll take a trend. Well, we'll take our so if we talk about Nifty, see Nifty what made a high, and from there it is continuously falling. We can see Bank Nifty has also made the same pattern. After making high, it is, so now what we can see, if we look at this trend, we can see a opposite U pattern is forming. So suppose if the Bank Nifty moves below a level of 17, now it is trading around 17,883. okay, suppose if the price goes below a level of 17,802, then we can see chances will be very high it can go and touch a level of 17,748, which is a strong support. Okay, and once this support breaks downside, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 17,702, and from there if it didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 17,616. and once this level breaks downside, then we can see, because this is already tested here twice, so chances are high it can go further low to a level of 17,539, and from there we can see it can go further low to a level of 17,438, which is also a strong support. So what I'm looking that, if it price sustain this level, then we can see a bounce back from this level, or if it goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 17,484 also, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 17,345. okay, and now suppose if the Bank Nifty opens in this particular range, then we can see upside 17,973 is a strong resistance, and if it goes above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 18,000 also. Okay, and because it is a strong resistance, so chances are high if it crosses 18,000. But what we can see that this level is tested once, so there is a bounce back can come. Or if the suppose if it crosses upside, then we can see in Bank Nifty and can touch a level of 18,142, and from there we can see further upside of Nifty and can touch a level of 18,185, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 18,247. Okay, and if it goes above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 18,319. Okay, so what we have to do is let's wait for the first 15-minute candle where it is forming, because a pattern is forming in this particular range. Okay, a narrow pattern is forming. So if the price goes above, it can go upside, or if it goes below a level of 17,784, then we can see it can go further low. So what we have to do is let's wait for the first 15-minute candle where it is going. If it going upside, then chances are high it can go further upside. If it goes below this level, then we can see chances are high it can go further low. So what I'm I'm not suggesting, I'm just telling you that where the market can go. So whatever your risk appetite, you can trade according to that level, but these are of a personal view. You should consult a financial advisor before trading or investing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.